Restore a Wi-Fi connection for the HP SmartTank 210, 520, 580, 590, and 5100 printer series. If your computer is unable to detect your printer over a Wi-Fi connection or a printer offline message displays when you're trying to print, follow these steps to fix the issue. This printer series can only print over a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your computer or mobile device is connected to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, switch to 2.4 GHz to connect to the printer. If needed, check the label on the Wi-Fi router to see if it supports a 2.4 GHz network. If you are not sure your router provides 2.4 GHz network support, contact your internet service provider. Before following the steps in this video, complete this checklist to rule out any potential issues that could cause a print error. Make sure that the printer is within 8 meters or 26 feet of your Wi-Fi router or range extender. Confirm that the printer power cable is plugged directly into a wall outlet. After completing each step, try to print from the printer again. If you encounter the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Restart your devices. Restarting your computer and printer can clear any error states that are preventing you from printing. Close all apps and programs and restart your PC. Turn off your printer and unplug the power cord from the printer and the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the cord to the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer back on. On your computer, try to print the file again. Step 2. Restore network settings using the printer control panel. With the printer powered on, press and hold the I button for 5 seconds until the control panel buttons light up. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi light blinks blue. The printer is now in Wi-Fi setup mode and will remain in this state for 8 hours. Once the printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode, you can connect it to your computer or mobile device using the HP Smart app. Step 3. Remove and re-add the printer in the HP Smart app. Removing and re-adding the printer in the HP Smart app can resolve connection-related error states. If you do not have the HP Smart app, you can download it for free from your app store or from 123.hp.com. On the HP Smart app home screen, right-click the printer image and then click Hide Printer. Click Hide Printer again to confirm. If you are using the HP Smart app on a mobile device, then press and hold the printer image. Then tap Hide Printer. Now that the printer has been removed, select either Add Printer on your computer or the plus icon on your mobile device to begin re-adding the printer. HP Smart searches for available printers. When you see your printer, select it and then select Continue. Follow the prompts to connect the printer to your wireless network. If prompted, select the 2.4 GHz network option. When the process is complete, you are then brought back to the HP Smart home screen. Your printer is now connected and ready to print.